Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 26. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. Don't see any help here. 1, 3, 7. Oh, but we have 1 and 3 here. So this is our 7. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this bottom row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 covering these two boxes, so our 5 has to be here. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, not 4, 3 and 9, so 3, 9. For this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this row now, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 2 and 4 here, so this is our 6. 2 here, so 4, 2. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 4. That 9 makes this our 3, 9. For this box now, we're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this column, we're missing a 3. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help, so 1, 8, 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 5, 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 5, 1 and 5 here. So this is our 6, 1 here, so 5, 1. That 1 makes this our 8, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.